Paine ground, November 6479 Foxtrot at Echo and Alpha. Like to, with information Delta, like to taxi to Alpha 9 for west departure.
Number 6479 Foxtrot, Paine ground, running 34 left at Alpha 9er, taxi Alpha.
Paine ground, station 1835 Zulu is at Alpha 5, taxi back for Regal Air.
1835 Zulu, Paine ground, taxi back to Regal via Alpha Juliet Delta.
Alpha Juliet Delta 35 Zulu.
Paine ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot at Echo Alpha, information Delta, VFR southwestbound.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Paine ground, runway 34 left at Alpha 7, taxi via Alpha.
34 left Alpha 7 via Alpha, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Paine Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 34 left Alpha 7 VFR southwestbound.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Paine Tower, standby. Thank you. So 72 Charlie, I call you base, we got a few departures.
Roger, you'll call my base, 72 Charlie.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, on course is approved, runway 34 left at Alpha 7, clear for takeoff.
34 left Alpha 7, clear for takeoff, on course Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Finals clear, runway's clear.
Number 628, exit where able, contact ground point 8.
Paine Tower, station 1835 Zulu at Alpha 5, wing swell 34 left, ready for takeoff, the direction north of island.
Cessna 72 Charlie, for this pass, change to runway 34 right.
Power set, fuel flow's good, airspeed's alive.
Cessna 79er Foxtrot, Bonanza departing ahead of you, be southwestbound, westbound departure approved, runway 34 left, Alpha 9, clear for takeoff.
79 Foxtrot, cleared for takeoff. We'll keep an eye on Bonanza, thank you.
Cessna 72 Charlie, change to runway 34 right.
Roger, can we do a left turn to join the downwind for the 34 right?
Cessna 72 Charlie, you can do a left base for 34 right.
Roger, left base, 34 right, 72 Charlie.
Cessna 72 Charlie, runway 34 right, clear for the option, on the go, traffic opposite direction to Beam Hat Island, runway 16 right, ILS approach.
Roger, cleared for the option 34 right, 72 Charlie.
72 Charlie, thank you. On the go, continue straight out, traffic inbound from the north.
We'll continue straight out on the go, 72 Charlie. And Paine Tower, 278 Charlie Alpha is with you on the ILS for one.
Number 278 Charlie Alpha, Paine Tower, got 2 departures, opposite direction, they'll both be westbound, no factor.
Okay, Roger, 8 Charlie Alpha, we are doing a low approach just in case you didn't know.
8 Charlie Alpha, thank you. Runway 16 right, cleared for the option. On the go, fly straight out, maintain 2000. Additional opposite direction traffic, touch and go on the small runway will be eastbound on the go.
Okay, we'll make sure we're good on traffic and fly runway heading of 2000 on the go, 278 Charlie Alpha.
Number 247, number 2, follow Cessna left base to final. Runway 34 right, clear to land. And number 4937 Papa, Paine Tower, stand by. Number 79er Foxtrot, report the Bonanza in the left crosswind in sight.
79 Foxtrot, we're looking no joy.
And 79er Foxtrot, did you say you had him? Is that what you said last?
79 Foxtrot, negative, sir. We'll extend the runway heading a little ways.
Number 79er Foxtrot, the Bonanza is passing off your left side, turn westbound now, traffic opposite direction, 5 miles north of your position.
79 Foxtrot, westbound now.
Thank you. And for the stationer waiting to go at Alpha 5, we just got 1 opposite direction arrival and then we'll get you moving.
Station 35 Zulu, thanks.
And ready on the right, number 1 in sequence, say again.